In today's video, I'm going to show you Mint Coin Earn. Is it real or fake? App review and withdrawal tips. Mint Coin Earn is a mobile application that claims to reward users with real money for watching videos, completing daily tasks, and collecting in-app coins that can supposedly be redeemed for cash. The app, developed by the R technocrats, is listed on the Google Play Store and analyzed on sites like Apple, where it has been downloaded over 10,000 times. At first glance, the app looks promising, especially for users searching for quick online earning platforms. However, when you go through its reviews and user experiences, the credibility of its payouts starts to come into question. The app is technically legitimate in the sense that it works as described. You can install it, perform tasks, and watch your coin balance grow after each action. The interface functions smoothly, and the earning features are similar to those of other reward-based apps, as seen in listings from APK Pure. Some users even report reaching the minimum threshold required to request a withdrawal, suggesting that the internal reward tracking system is at least operational. However, most of the complaints across user reviews tell a different story. On Applebrain and similar Apple monitoring platforms, there are dozens of reports about failed or pending withdrawals. Many users mention waiting weeks without receiving payment. This pattern has led to suspicions that the withdrawal system might not actually process rewards as claimed. An even clearer red flag appears on APK Pure, where the app's category is listed under entertainment, and the description quietly includes a disclaimer that users should not expect any guaranteed monetary benefit. This means that even the developers position it more as a fun engagement tool than a genuine earning opportunity. In conclusion, Mint Coin Earn is partially real but unreliable. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.